Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to solve this equation. How to factorize this equation: a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed minus 3abc. So before I went on to factorize this and show you solution, I want you to know some prerequisite that I'm going to use in this. So first, of course, the basic a plus or minus b, and then whole damn square is equal to a squared plus or minus 2ab plus b squared. Yeah, I mean, this is the basic formula. And the next one is a squared, right? Then minus b squared is equal to a minus b times a plus b. And the third one, which I think it's might be new to some of you, is that a plus or minus b cubed is equal to a cubed plus or minus 3a squared plus b plus, oh actually 3a squared plus b plus 3ab cubed, right? I forgot that. And plus or minus b cubed, right? And then the third one is actually this a cubed. Actually, the fourth one, a cubed plus or minus b cubed is equal to a plus or minus b times a squared plus minus or plus. So maybe this is, so basically the way you remember this is that you remember the sign here, and then the sign here is just the opposite of this sign, and then yeah, minus or plus ab plus b squared. And there's also an extra one, the very new one that I'm going to use here, is that a cubed plus b cubed. There's another a way to express a cubed plus b cubed, which is equal to a plus b cubed and then minus 3ab times a plus b. So the way you prove this is that you look at this. You went back to this formula. You see it's a cubed plus b cubed, the same as this. And then it also has an extra 3a squared. Okay, this is plus, not minus. 3a squared b, and then 3ab squared, right? Has an extra one. So that's why we get this one, right? You get this, and then you minus this out. So therefore you have this. This is a way to you factorize. If you expand this out, you will get 3a squared b plus 3a squared b. If you expand this out, which is exactly as this. So that's how you deduce from this. Okay, so we got all the basics done. So now let's now gonna solve this. Okay, wait a bit. Okay, so now the way you solve this is that first you see a cubed plus b cubed. Now there's two ways we can do this. We can either express this as this or express this as this. But in this case, we're gonna express this as this, so then we can factorize it better. I'll show you. So a plus, oh wait a minute. Let me, I'm just gonna cut it out. Okay, so my whiteboard went out ink. I just filled up. Okay, so now we can express this as a plus b cubed minus, well, 3ab times a plus b, just like the formula we got here, right? And then we also put c cubed here minus 3abc, right? So now you notice this. There are two pair we can pair up. So the first is a plus b cubed plus c cubed. So what if it's the same as this, right? It's so let ab equals x, right? C equals y, so it will equal to x cubed plus y cubed, which is this, and we can put like this. So that's what we're gonna do. So we can put as actually let me just pair it up so it will be easier to see. Minus c cubed and then minus 3b a plus b 3abc, right? So minus, actually it's plus c cubed. Okay, so now, well, let's factorize out just like the formula did. A plus b, then plus c, right? And now it's a bit tricky, but it's like this. AB, so it's square up, so we square AB up, right? So it's A plus B square. And now look at this. You remember this. Look at the sign here. The sign here is positive. So if it's positive, this part here is negative. Look at this. If it's positive, it's negative. If it's negative, it's positive. So then we went back here. We'll multiply C plus AB, so it's C times A plus B, right? And of course, we got C squared here, right? Now, actually, I'm gonna write it onto another line. So now we see this pair here. Well, it's pretty obvious that we got 3AB here appear on both sides, so we're gonna factorize that out. Also, we're gonna minus here too, so that we're gonna factorize that. So it's minus, well, 3AB, right? And then what we got left is A plus B plus C, right? Okay, so write it down. Now you already see the pattern here. A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C appear on both terms here, so we're gonna factorize them out now too. So A plus B plus C. Okay, right, so bad. Okay. Right, and now let me just expand this term. Now we got this formula here. A plus B and R them squared is equal to A squared plus 2AB plus B squared, right? So now we're gonna write that down. A squared plus 2AB plus B squared, and then expand this out is A minus AC minus, well, BC, and then plus C squared, right? But then you also look at this. Now, this term also minus 3AB, right? So you minus 3AB, put down 2. And well, there's also one more step, just the last step, which is, well, group them, that's all to last step. A squared plus C squared equals to 2AB minus 3AB is negative AB minus AB, and then minus AC minus BC. And well, it's done. We'll factorize this. Okay, I'm gonna let you take a quick look at everything again. So that's how you factorize this. So you can skip the video for now, but I'm gonna briefly summarize this. So first, you turn this into this, and then you also have an extra this. Then you just pair them up with C cubed. Pair these two up, and then it will appear A plus B plus C on both of the pair here. Well, you factorize A plus B plus C out, and then you do a bit of more simplification, and then you got this answer here. Oh, actually, plus C too, my bad. But yeah, it's actually a pretty nice answer, right? Now look at this. It is very symmetrical, I would say. So yeah, that's how you solve it. Thank you for watching.